Today guys, actually I'm out with the ladies here, my colleagues, and we're actually hunting a offer, and now we're heading to family discount. Oh, kulit niya!
Support Nor! Ayun na, tingin kami. Support Nor! Support Nor! Hi! Support Nora!
Sana all. Ayan, ang init guys. It's really hot.
Malayo yun?
Ayun o.
Ang
laki na pa. Discount center. Ayun. Ang pangit talaga pag hindi iPhone. Maalog-alog.
Wala bang cinematic yan?
Wala. Okay lang ba kayo guys? Ang init, di ba? Ang init.
Family discount. Pwede sana nag-taxi tayo. Eh, yung pupuntahan natin, matanong.
Sa Hawad yun. Mamaya na tayo. Ayun na guys. They just arrived. We just arrived. To the family discount. Ayan. Discount center. Pinakala yung mga Barbie. Here we are. Ay, may mga toothbrush pala dito, oh. 250 feels? Hindi, iba yung masakit siya sa ipin.
Ito maganda, may tongue cleaner.
Oo. Maganda kaya yun. Tingnan nyo guys. Look at that. Mukhang maganda naman siya. Ito may mga ano siya. Mud mask. Almond.
Toothpaste 2.2, 3 point something to sa ano?
Sa
norm.
Wow. Mas mura, no? So guys, there's a lot of things here in family ano ba to? Family discount. Yan guys, yung mga perfume. Ito yung dati kong perfume. This is my perfume before. Mabango siya.
Saan?
Ito, sobrang bango nito. Oo, Dancer. Hindi siya masakit sa ilong. Varieties of huge varieties of mga bango, diba? Lalo na pag nag-gym. Ay, ito. How much? See, look at that. And dinar 100. Their perfume here is really good quality guys, in family discount, but because a lot of options, so it's very tough for us to choose what we want. Yeah, I feel like I want to buy everything, all of it. Nakapili na ba kayo, madam? Isa nating madam, nag-tour na siya. Guys, so this is the area of the plates. If you are a kitchen lover, you can check this out. These are the items. They have a lot of things here. Ayan. From bowl to plates. Name it, they have it. Just look at this. May lobo pa sa loob.
Sinakot na Ate Bibi.
Ano yan?
Alam mo, bili ko dito sa mall.
Ay, taray!
6 BD binili ko nito. Di nakita ko is 1.3 lang. Oh my God. So cheap.
Ang ganda pa ng ano. Hindi kayang kakalawangin?
6 BD to. Hindi, 6 BD to. Ceramic to eh.
Galing.
Dito 1.3 lang. Magreklamo. Saan yung manager niya? Reklamo ko to.
Excuse me, manager.
Sa Oasis mo, 6 BD to eh.
Guys, look at this one. It's just like, I don't know, What type of material is this? It looks so cozy. It looks so artistic, and it doesn't show. It's only 1 dinar. I don't know. 1 dinar 980 fils, included VAT. Made in China. They have a lot of metal items here, like I don't know what do you call this one? I don't know. I think it is for Arabic coffee. I don't know, or milk somehow. And I believe this one is it's like a teapot. It's only 2 dinar 200 fils. They have like a golden kettle, silver kettle. See guys, they have a lot of baskets here made of metal and made of wood. This is very handy. This is handmade, very traditional. This is for the bread, and they have like a lot of thermos here.
2,000 years later.
They have a lot of appliances here as well. This one is the grinder. I got it actually. I don't know how much is it, but the one I bought from Manama is 1.5. This one is 2 dinar 200. I got this guys. So they have a lot of toys as well. Look at that. Flowers, decorations. There. Don't open the package. Blender. I'm not really sure if this is the real one. See animals. Ay, si Quentin. Wow. Aspiration. See this. Wow. This is very real shells. Yeah, if you have an aquarium, you can restyle your aquarium having these things. And there's a lot of cuties here as well. Yeah, if you are a passionate workout or fitness addict, so you can have this. They have a lot of varieties here actually. This one is too light. It will cost you like around 1 dinar 100 fils only. They have a lot of varieties of bag here as well, as you can see, but it is on similar style. Yes, they have like cuties here for kids bags. And this way sandals, and they have a lot of sandals here as well. A huge varieties of sandals. They have everything you could imagine here. Until on this area. What's that?
It's a dress.
Wow! Ay, ang ganda! Bagay sa'yo, Tijoy! Ang taray ah. Magkano daw yan?
2.2.
Sana all. Ay, ito yung suot mo!
Sabi ko sa kanya.
Pati yung parang kay Sheila na suot din. May ganito din si Sheila eh, oo.
Uy, baka magsama-sama tayo lahat sa
Magsayaw na tayo.
Uy, no, ano ba?
Ang ganda!
Yung feel. Meron pa dito.
Magkano daw to?
2.2 lang. Set na siya.
Hala, oo nga. Oo.
Marika.
Mukhang mabubudol tayo dito.
Ubusan ng pera to.
Ubusan ng pera. Mataya-taya.
No, meron tayo nito, no.
Ito, puporma ako. Pwede kaya ako nito ba?
Meron ako makita maganda cotton. Yung cotton.
So, this is the lingerie area. Lingerie, whatever you call it. This one. They have a huge varieties of brass as well. This one is so good. It's so nice. It's soft. Ang daming mabibili dito, guys. My gosh. I really don't know how I will manage my budget. Hi! My God, guys. It's so nice. Look at that. Pwede siya pang mabilisang labas. Ganun. So this is all what I got. They have a lot of households items here, like sabons, and this one. They have a lot of household items here. There's a lot of kids cloth here as well if you just want to buy.
I bought Savage.
Wow.
Savage. 2 Savage. This is ano to? Hindi ko alam what kind of perfume.
This is
Arab perfume.
Yeah, Arabic perfume.
Then I don't know, Chanel Blue.
Chantel Blue.
Chantel.
From where?
This is like scent like a bombshell. This one is nice also.
Dance.
Yeah.
Why very cheap? Polo original?
For the hair color.
Hadi wala original hada.
Dettol soap. Of course, you need to
Hadi for
take shower
bacteria
every day,
yan.
every night.
Nagkabudulan na po dito mga kapatid. At ang may sala po at ang kriminal dito, ito po. Yan, naka-pink na po na yan. Ayan po ang dahilan ng lahat. Lahat.
Budol queen.
The Budol Queen.
Para gusto ko
Ay,
magaya.
may mga din pala dito. Tingnan ko nga itong mga prayer mat na to. Ang Taura. If I go to Makkah, I can bring this one. Simply. There's a lot of towels here as well if you want. Different types of towels, different quality, different prices. It's just like 2 dinar 200. 2 dinar 200 pesos. Oh, look pa siya doon. The chocolates. I love chocolate. Ay, oo, tufilok, oo.
Ito ba ito?
Tufilok. Ang ganda niya. Look at that. Nabasag na lang siya. These are all the cosmetics, makeups, eyeshadows. Every each of it is cosmetics. This seems cute. Look at that. Ito, look natural. Ito, maganda. Ganda siya. Here guys, so I was actually planning to order like this in Temu because I wanna put a oil to my hair, but then I saw this here for the price of 550 pills, and in Temu it's around 900 pills. So I'll just buy here this one. Toothpick and some cotton buds, tapes. Hello guys, so these are for the kids, like some coloring pencils and some pencil case and a lot of stuffs like clay and ribbons, and for the painting as well, crayons. Look at that. If you're a painter, this is the painting stuffs. Yeah, they have different sizes here, like this one. There is a circle one, and there is like the biggest one, the big one. Look at that. Yes. There is a bag as well here. Look at this. It's very light. The quality is really good, guys, as you can see. Hi, I really love to go home because I'm tired of roaming around, but my friends are really busy in doing the shopping because one of my friends is going for vacation. So yes, that's why. Anyway, it's okay. We'll just wait until they finish their shopping, and then I'll get back to you guys, okay?
2,000 years later.
Yeah. Hello guys, so we have reached the Al Hawaj, as you can see, because we found in the TikTok that there's a lot of offer here, so just taking chances to get the offer, and let's see how it gonna goes. Prada, oh.
Spicy. Siyempre hindi na gano'n. Wala na. Ito, paborito ko lang
Pangmanyaman ng mga amoy dito.
Asan yung ano?
Yes guys, we are here in the Davido. Pagod na ako sa sarili ko.
Ay, ano yun? Mamahalin.
Kano kaya? Ang taray. Davido. I just saw the Prada over there. Naamoy ko na siya.
Amoy mo na lang ako.
I just went here to check the luggages, how much, and the
Try mo tumabang ito.
ay, ayoko na amoy.
Baho. Ano talaga yung mga branded? Amoy ba ko?
Baho.
Mga barak.
Ang sakit na ulo ko. I just went here to get the luggage. Check the luggage, how much is it. And the watch also. These are the bags. Ted Baker. It's 29 BD. Ted Baker. Ganda. It's 86 BD. I don't know where it's like a ano siya it's also Ted Baker. It's made of alligator skin. Ganda niya guys, grabe. 37. Uy, ay hinanap mo ako.
Guess what?
Guess what? Original guess po ito.
Parang ito yung nabasag ko kanina. 45% na lang siya. So, mga nasa 35. So, yun, it's 96
May mga, magkano?
96 BD, 110 less 45%. So, mga nasa 50 BD na lang siya.
Yan?
See?
Totoong ginto to?
119 minus.
Magkano? Wow, American Tourister. Here we are in the luggages.
Pero ito, dati kalaking lang.
Ganyan.
Yung laman lang puro chocolate. Puro ano. Maganda
Magkano na lang kaya to?
This is the luggage outside, right? This is the luggage outside. It was outside.
Ang bigat. Uy, Lord, ang bigat niya tayo. Ang bigat. Tatanong ako dito kung may lightweight sila. American Tourister. We are here now in the luggages side. And yes, it's expensive, guys. It's expensive. I better go to check the watch for my brother. There's a lot of sets of perfume here, guys, and these are the price range. But I don't find like there is a Jimmy Choo, but I don't find a Paris Hilton. I couldn't find any Paris Hilton here, that's my favorite. And guys, binili ko siya para sa kuya ko, Fossil. Hello guys, so I just changed my mind. I supposed to buy that Fossil watch, but I just changed my mind because I did not like the attitude of that sales lady. She's kinda shouting at me while I'm choosing the box, and she's forcing me to take the box that I don't like. It is not really pleasant, you know, whenever like you are buying items and the salesman or saleswoman is forcing you to take that item which you don't like. I don't mind about the price, but I mind about the behavior of that sales lady. So I have decided not to buy that. Anyway, there's a lot of offers will come for the next time, inshallah. So yes, I hope we get the chance to get some items again, inshallah.
2,000 years later.
Hello guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. And yes, we just reached home actually. These are all the things that I bought. Let me show you guys. Here, after all that, stroll that we did today, we just had this. Nabudol ako dito guys. This cloth. Yeah, it's really good. Yes, and it's just 2 dinar 200 fils. And some other items like masala. Yes, I had the dates also. This is my Target actually. I had this for 900 fils. And this one for the hair. And our soap. I love this one, guys. Actually, I'm very excited to use this. Yes, for cooking. It's a little bit expensive, but it's quite good. Himalayan salt. And this one for the making paratha. And hair coloring. Yes, that's all. I still have a palette here. So yes guys, that's all for today. So I hope you like watching my videos, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and press the notification bell down below so you get notified whenever I am uploading a new video, guys. So till next time, ma salama, bye.